How are you guys? I hope you like the strategies of the channel, and in this video I bring you a very good binary options strategy that can bring you many benefits. This strategy can be applied in the normal market as in OTC and in any broker. As always, I leave the IQ option link in the description, which is the broker that I use. This video is going to be a little different because we are going to use two charts, even so the strategy is very easy. To add several charts, simply go to this square and here you can choose how many graphics you want to use. In this case, we are going to choose two. They can be horizontal or vertical. I'm going to choose verticals. This option can be used for when you have several open operations for different assets. But in this case, we are going to work with the same asset, that is, with the same currencies. Okay. First, we open the same asset in two charts. In one of the graphics, we are going to put the candles in a period of 1 minute. And in the other graphic, in a period of 5 seconds. For this strategy, we are going to use only two indicators. Relative Strength Index RSI. In period, we put 10. Overbought 85 and oversold 15. As I always tell you, this indicator tells us when the asset is in the oversold or overbought zone. In the second chart, we also add the RSI with the same parameters, period 10, overbought 85 and oversold 15. Moving averages. In period, we put 20. In type, we are going to put SMA in orange color. Moving averages help us identify the trend of the asset. We add another equal moving average on the second chart. Period 20. In type we put SMA and orange color. The only difference in the chart is the timing of the candles. First, we need to identify the trend of the first chart, and for this we are going to help ourselves with the moving average. If the trend is bearish, it will remain bearish until the price exceeds the last maximum point, that is, the last peak. We are going to draw a line to guide us. If the trend is bearish in the second chart, we are going to make sales. For that, the candles must be above the moving average and the RSI must be in the overbought zone, that is, to pass the level of 85, above the green line. And for the expiration time of the operation, we will use the minimum available. Let's apply the strategy in a downtrend. As there is a downtrend in the first chart, in the second chart we are going to make a sale. As you see the candles on the second chart, they were above the moving average, and the RSI was in the overbought zone. I put the minimum expiration time available at that time, which was 30 seconds. If the trend is bullish, it will continue to be bullish until the price passes the last low point. If the trend is bullish on the second chart, we are going to make purchases. For that, the candles must be below the moving average. The RSI must be in the oversold zone, that is below level 15, below the red line. For the expiration time of the operation, we will use the minimum available. Let's apply the strategy for an uptrend. Since there was an uptrend on the first chart, I made a buy. The candles were below the moving average, and the RSI was in the oversold zone. Well guys, as I already told you, this strategy can be applied in the common market or in OTC. Always use the minimum expiration time available. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Here I leave more videos with binary options strategies.